Nice, but pretty toasty start right now. Temperatures are well above normal this morning. We're going to be in the 60s. Nice, pleasant next couple of hours, but by noon, at that point, we're already in the upper 80s, near 90. Hot this afternoon by about 4 o'clock. Look at the emoji casts. Tongue out, one eye. It's hot. That's what you feel like. Low 90s. By 8, still pretty mild, close to 80. Now, so far this year, 9 days with temperatures either at or above 90 degrees. That's pretty impressive this early in the season. Today, we're going to be a good 15 degrees above normal with very few thunderstorms to help cool things down. We'll get a little increase in cloud cover, but most of the storms that we're going to see, they'll be well off to the east. Pretty stark, but a bright sunrise. That's going to impact that eastbound drive early on. Winds west at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and it's 61 in Denver. A good 10 degrees cooler right now in Boulder. Conifer, you're at 55, and in Bennett, also 55. So it's nice. It's cool. You might want a light sweatshirt this morning. You won't need it for long. With the winds coming in out of the west and southwest, it's going to boost our temperatures early on. Watch southwestern Colorado. Obviously, we've been talking a lot about Durango. North of there, the 416 fire. The winds there again today. Into the weekend will be a bit of an issue. We've got temperatures here in town by 10 o'clock at 85 degrees. That's 5 degrees above normal, and that's before we even get to the lunchtime hour. We'll be at about 90 to 95 in town. We'll get a few building clouds similar to yesterday. Very few storms expected, though. We'll get maybe 1 or 2 popping up out east, and you don't get a lot of rain with these storms. These are pretty dry, so likely some gustier winds closer to Lyman and Burlington late afternoon. 10 o'clock tonight for a Friday night, that's pretty nice. 77 degrees. That's some good patio weather through early evening, and the winds will then die down to the southwest overnight before picking back up again tomorrow. We're in the 60s early Saturday, pleasant early on, and then tomorrow afternoon, low mid-90s again, almost a carbon copy of what we're going to see. But look out west, the winds get even stronger tomorrow. We're likely looking at gusts over 40 miles per hour near Grand Junction, Montrose, Telluride, and Durango. So fire danger quite a bit higher this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Looking at some of our record highs here in town. Now, Friday, today, 93 is what we're calling for. 98's the record. Saturday, we're going to get pretty close to that record of 95 degrees. We could tie another one this week. We've already tied 2 when we hit 95. And then on Sunday, record high is 99, so we're going to get close to that. Regardless, it is hot through the weekend. It does cool down next week. By Monday, breezy and cooler. We're tracking a cold front that will bring us down into the 80s next week. So we've got a slight chance of picking up a few late day thunderstorms on Sunday because of that. This is nice, though. I don't know if 80s have ever looked any better, right? After this long string of 90s. Better chance also for some rain by the middle of next week, Eric.
I need to get on the wakeboard.